Hey guys, Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited for you guys. We are gonna make a nice, easy recipe on our induction cooktop, the best cooktop we got. So check this out, gang. So I am on the 36-inch induction from Genair. Plenty of space on this guy. You can get these induction cooktops in a 15-inch modular piece, in a 30-inch, or in the 36 we're working on. So I have a little bit of dark chocolate and light chocolate. We're gonna turn these guys on to a nice low simmer right here. So we'll turn it on, and now we'll go right to our low settings and select our pan, and we'll go right to it. Boom, boom. The next one says melt. That's the one we're gonna be on. So this is really gonna control the temperature right to the melt setting. We'll do this on the top one as well. So now we are just gonna hold this chocolate right to the melt setting. That's the best part. So there's no guesswork. A lot of times, you'd have to do a double boil or lower it or add something to it, and you could risk scorching or burning the chocolate. Here, not at all. Genair and a lot of the other manufacturers have the right settings for cooktops. This is the best one for just to melt chocolate or melt butter. So this is huge for us. It takes all the guesswork out. And being that we're on the 36-inch top, we can put our hand here. We can keep all of our prep here. Being that we're talking about the prep, I have some strawberries, I have some pineapple, so we're gonna actually just make a nice dip on those, okay? And show you how to really coat some grapefruit. We had this on for like 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes, and if you look really closely, watch me do this. This is always the coolest part. Look how good and melted that chocolate is. The chips stay whole, but it's all melted. Isn't that amazing? Look at that. We'll go to the bottom. And that's what you get on a great setting like that. Let me do the same thing with the white chocolate. This is my favorite. Look at all that. Isn't that cool? Look how great that is. I mean, and this can be on, guys, if we're talking about cookies, we're talking about, dipping any fruit and things like that for the holidays, you're ramping up, drizzling biscottis like my mother would do, things like that. This setting on the induction is really gonna save you time, save you all the effort. Without further ado, we'll take one of our strawberries. And the key to this, guys, I wash these, but we want to make sure they're nice and dry. We don't want the moisture on there. We want it nice and dry so we can coat our strawberries ever so nicely. So check that out. Nice and easy like that. All right, dip it, and we're just going to put it right on some parchment. And that's the beauty of having the induction, guys. We can actually put a parchment right there. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to dry off our pineapple. And then we're gonna actually skewer this pineapple, make it nice, and just make sure all of it's right there. So we're just gonna get a nice skewer on it and give it a nice dip. And you could do a nice fruit display for the holidays, or if you want to give it to somebody, it's a great gift. Some dipped fruit, or have a little party with it. Nothing beats this and a little bit of champagne or cordials. Just nice and easy like that. Fold this guy down, okay? And we'll do vice versa. We'll just try a dark chocolate one right here. Just nice and easy with the chocolate. Look how great that looks. Beautiful, huh? We're just gonna keep dipping away. And this, guys, this is a nice, easy way for your induction top, keeping everything perfect. Look at that. Love that. All right, guys, so I'm going to keep dipping fruit and try not to eat them all because they're so good looking. If you have any questions on any of the induction products that we sell, just leave them in the comments below. Thank you, and guys, keep dipping away because I know what I'm going to be doing. Boom.